To my ladies, whoa, you should know how to work that. Is it worth it? Let me work it. I put my thing down, flip it and reverse it. It's your favorite if it's wet yet.
Hey everyone, my name is Ariel if you're new here, and if you're not, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing an Is It Worth It? Let Me Work It on a foundation. Now, I didn't think that this was going to happen. I was actually doing like a one brand type of first impression tutorial type of thing, and it just got really interesting. So I was like, hold up. Let me take a step back, because if not, that video is going to be super long. So I'm talking about the Even Stevens foundation. Not Even Stevens, that just took me back to like middle school. The Even Steven whipped foundation from the Balm Cosmetics. Their packaging is super cute. It's always like a little busy, if you know what I mean. So this retails for $22 and you get 0.45 fluid ounces. It's a whipped foundation. So this is what it looks like inside, thick. So here's the thing, they only have 8 shades. The shades are called lighter than light, light, light medium, medium, mid medium, medium dark, dark, and after dark. This is the foundation that I have on my face right now. I did do a complete look with this, but again, I decided to dedicate a whole video on this foundation, so you'll be seeing how to get this look and the products from the balm that I used in the next video. I could have definitely went with medium, and that kind of worries me a little bit because I am not dark. So on the website it says, a foundation with charm and staying power, we can't even. Our whipped foundation, which comes in 8 long-lasting shades, features a light, airy, souffle-like texture for a natural matte finish. And the ultra-pigmented formula means with Even Steven, a little goes a long way. Benefits, it's buildable, clutch certified, and weightless. The fact that they put that, it's literally a small clutch. I can tell you right now that this is a very pigmented foundation, and yes, a little does go a long way. So now I'm going to show you how it applies and basically my first impression on it, because I had never tried this foundation. The only face product I ever tried from the Balm was their skin tint moisturizer, their tinted moisturizer. I loved it. It was like one of the very first few skin products that I had ever purchased when I first started like my channel, my blog. Like, that holds a very special place in my heart. But besides that, I had never tried this foundation. So if you want to see how it applies and basically my first impression on it, then just keep on watching. I was this close to start filming without turning the mic on. Crisis averted. So this is an uninvited guest on my face, which decided to pop up. I know it's the stress. And then it's extra red because for some reason acne gels just do this to me. I guess sensitive, I have all the issues, okay? But these babies gotta go. So before I jump into all of this the Balm stuff, I'm going to hydrate my lips because it is about to be 9 degrees outside. Crazy stuff. I don't know if they're still selling this specific one. I know they sell different I was about to say flavors, not flavors. For some reason, the word isn't coming to me, but anyways, they have a big variety of these types of lip balms, so if you see it, definitely check it out because they are still good. And of course, you know, crusty lips are always a no-go, so. Okay, so the Balm Cosmetics. Let's do this. So this is the Furrowcious brow pencil with a spoolie, and this is what the packaging looks like. And I think it's actually pretty cool. I really do appreciate that they have how to fill in your brows step by step right here for someone that wouldn't know how to. Oh, I've been dying to throw these cartons away, you have no idea. The pencil is super thin. So I don't do anything like crazy to fill in my brows. I did use this the other day, and from its wear, what I noticed is that I would definitely wear this more on no makeup days. I feel like this is such an everyday brow pencil. Like the Benefit pencil, that one is super pigmented and so yummy. But I vlogged a little bit with it, and when I rewatched it, I was like, oh my god, these brows. Oh, it was crazy. Recently, I've also started to take more pictures, just like everyday things, you know what I mean? Like, I'm super big into memories and printing out your pictures. I still believe in photo albums and photo boxes and all of that good stuff. So this is all I'm going to do with my brows. It's just such an easy pencil. So because I'm trying out a new foundation and everything new today, I didn't want to use anything illuminating, even though that's what I always do. So I'm just going to go in with the Essence Prime Studio HD Hydra spray. This, if you saw my last video, whoa, this is like Super Soaker 10,000 type of spray. It literally soaks you. It's not a fine mist like I usually like, but it does really hydrate your skin, and it feels like a fresh drink of water. What? No. It just feels like your skin drinks it all up. And now that that's on, I'm going to just put a little bit of primer. I was about to say nothing crazy. Whew. And I honestly think this is expired by now, but we're just gonna roll with it. And I'm going to apply it right here in the center of my face. All right, cool. So the thing about the Balm Cosmetics is that they don't really have a huge shade range. As long as there was like a light medium, which is still not my shade, but whatever. I got the shade light medium, and I think this is a little too dark for me. But this is what it comes in. I've never tried this before. I don't want to dip my finger in here. Call me high maintenance, whatever. It smells like something, obviously. Oh, this is taking me back to my roots. What is this smell? Should be looking at the mirror. Whoa, this is coverage. What did I do? Why is it? This is weird. Okay, I'm gonna do half of my face because I'm just getting a weird vibe off of this. Drag it down my neck, faux show. And my redness is crazy, so I guess that's good for this video. Oh my god, I need to catch my breath. Going along with what I was about to say, I've just had really bad anxiety, clearly. Just like, oh, look at how red I'm getting. It just gets, why did I do that? It just gets really hard to breathe sometimes. Good stuff. So I wiped off whatever it was on the side over here, but the coverage is amazing. The only thing is the shade range, and I don't think that you would like this, honestly, if you had dry skin. I feel like it's sinking in my nose over here, like enhancing all of the texture, and laugh lines have been a thing lately, whatever. So yeah, I feel like it's just enhancing them. And looking at this viewfinder, I just feel like it looks ashier in some areas than others. Like it's not one, it's just strange. I just feel like there's like a different undertones in different areas, and I don't know, call me crazy. So this is what it looks like, white cast. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I was seeing first, and then like that warm undertone-ish, I don't know. I have combination skin depending on the season. It's either on one end more than the other. On the mouth, I'm usually always dry. That's just how it is. And in the wintertime, it's like extra dry than in the summertime. I just feel like it clung on. Like, I'm just a little confused because I'm looking at the model in the picture on their site, and I can see her freckles unless they drew them on, but they don't look drawn on. But like, this covered everything. I'm going to finish off my face, and the look that I'm going to do is going to be in a separate video. I just knew that this was just going to be too long. This foundation just got me real curious. So close up of the foundation. I only put like very minimal powder, so this is the real deal of it. And again, I have a zit over here that it covered up very well, besides me touching it, and over here. So yeah, you can see it just clinged on in certain areas, but besides that, good coverage. All right, so final thoughts. Would I repurchase this again? Probably not. And if you have dry skin, I don't think that you would like this. And I mean, it looks fine around my cheeks. That's where I'm kind of like normal. Again, it's super full coverage. Like I have a huge zit right here, and I don't think that you can see it that well. I feel like this sums it all up. Thank you guys for being so patient with me. thank you all for taking the time out of your day to watch one of my videos. I will always and forever continue to say that. I'm still figuring out the do's and don'ts, like according to my schedule, to make these videos happen. So again, thank you guys so much for your patience. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up if you did indeed like it. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Click that bell button because you know you want to, so you get notified whenever I do post a video every Thursday and Sunday. I will talk to you in my next video. Bye. All right. That was like too much. Why am I like this? Fresh of breath air. What? Breath of fresh air. No. I am talking. So I'm talking. Foundation, charm, and staying power. Like this is how. Whoa. That was upside down.